Look into elevate your marketing strategy. Discover how to create stunning QR codes in Canva that not only catch the eye but also drive engagement. With just a few easy steps, you can design custom codes that reflect your brand's identity and make it easier for customers to connect with you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out. Let's get creative and transform your approach to marketing today. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can create QR codes on Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and type into canva.com. Here we have the home page. So to get started, you have just to create an account by writing your email address and your password. Then you will find the home page, or you can also log in and write your personal information that you already link firstly. So QR codes are a game changer for connecting your audience to digital content, and Canva makes creative them effortless. With a variety of customizable templates, you can design a cartoon QR codes that match your brand's style. Whether for marketing materials or social media, these codes can boost engagement and drive traffic. Get creative with Canva and turn your QR codes into a powerful marketing tool. So the first step that you have to do is click over create a design like that. Then you click over custom size. Then you choose here the width and the height, and we have here the unit. Then you click over create new design and you'll find this page as you can see. So firstly you have to search for template. For example, I will choose here this one. I will select the first one. I will delete all this one. All of this one for the QR code. Right now I will just go to the apps like that. Then I will just search for QR code. As you can see, I will click over the first one. Here we have a URL and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So I will just right now search for URL. For example, I will just go to the index here. As you can see. So I will choose, for example, this one. And I will click over share and I will copy the link like that. So it's just an example, you can use whatever you want. And then I will just paste it here like that. Then I will click over generate code. So here we have it. I'll put it here. As you can see. And here we have the QR code. So let's go right now to the presentation. As you can see. So right now I will just choose, for example, the design or the template that I want. For example, I will select this one. And I will select this one or this one. So let's select this one and then I will click over share. Here we have also other options, so I will just click over public view link, and here we have create a public view link to allow anyone to access a view only version of this design. No sign in required. And then I will click over create link with watermarks, and here we have the link and I will just copy it right. This design is shared publicly. Anyone with the link can access a view only version of this design. So I will just open my web browser right now to verify if it is right. So I will just paste the link here and I will click over enter. So as you can see, here we have it. So right now you have just to share it with your friends, or you can just get started as soon as possible and share it on Instagram, post on YouTube or Facebook or TikTok also. So right now I will just show you how you can create your own QR code. I will just click over custom size and I will click over create new design, and we will find this page as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just go right now to the apps here, and I will just search for QR code, and I will click over the first one. We have add a URL, and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL, so I will just paste it here. Then I will just generate the code, and here we have the background color, also foreground color, and we have margin here, and this is it. So firstly I will select the background. For example, I will select this one, and then I'll modify this one, and you can also add something here. For example, you add the title here, the heading, and this is it. And here we have our QR code, and right now we have just to click over share. You have to add a people here, for example, or you can just collaboration link. Here we have only you can access design using this link, and here we have anyone can access the design using this link. No design required. I will select this one. Then here we have download, we have public view, present, and we have see all here, such as public view link, present, template link, present and record, copy to clipboard, and we have save to folder, send to phone, embed, and website. And here we have it. So creating QR codes on Canva is a straightforward and creative way to enhance your marketing efforts. With its intuitive design tools, you can customize QR codes to match your brand's aesthetic, ensuring they are not only functional but also visually appealing. This seamless integration allows you to elevate your promotional materials, making it easier for your audience to connect with your content. Embrace the power of QR codes on Canva and watch your engagement soar. So this is how it works with creating QR code on Canva. It's very helpful, and you have just to share it with your friend and use also Instagram, or let's say in social media, to get started and earn money with it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. So this is it. Also, we have here other options about Canva. You can just get started. I will show you those options in the next videos.